Hi guys, I'm Viraj and today we are going to install a Python on Windows 11 machine. Let me open my browser and search for python.org. This is an official website for a Python where you can get the downloads as well as the documentation, community support and many more. Click on the downloads tab. You can see that download Python 3.11.0. This is the latest version available right now. Even you can click for Linux, Mac and other operating system and you can install it. So right now we are recording this for Windows. I will click on this link and you can see that file is getting downloaded. After that I'm going to click on this exe. Click on this checkbox, add python.exe to the path, install now. And you can see that it is installing. This might take a couple of minutes. So we can see that setup was successful. We can close this. We can simply open a command prompt and type Python. And we can see that Python 3.11 is installed.